Why does your body randomly embarrass you with a loud hic in the middle of absolutely nothing? 1 second you are fine, and the next, your body is acting like it pressed the wrong button.
Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly spasms and pulls air in there way too fast.
And before we continue, remember to like and follow so you don't miss the next video.
Then your vocal cords slam shut, and that weird little hic sound escapes like a jump scare.
And what triggers it? Eating too fast, fizzy drinks, laughing too hard, stress, or your body just choosing chaos?
The good news is, most hiccups disappear on their own after your diaphragm calms down and stops being dramatic.
So basically, hiccups are just your diaphragm throwing a tiny tantrum in public.